Thank you so much for taking the time to, to meet me.
No
So now,
problem at all. Yeah.
now, how did you find E2 Language? How did you, come to us?
Initially, I was going through the internet, so there are a lot of coaching centers on internet, and you will be highly confused selecting from those. But the best part was PTE website refers E2 Language. So I thought, okay, since E2 Language is bound with, they have collaboration with PTE, let me try that. I had taken a subscription of one of the other websites as well, but that was a disaster. Means that did not help at all. Once joining with E2 Language, and then I started listening to some pre-recorded videos which are available free online before making the decision to join E2 Language. And some of the Jay's videos were quite nice. The way he has explained was like very, very good. So I enrolled for it and I started practicing. I started attending the live classes. And like your classes, I never attended on time, like in the evening. I always used to listen to the recorded sessions. But I really wish I would have attended one, because the way you spend time with students after the class, solving their questions and queries was just amazing. Like I never knew that happens, because the recorded session is just a time-bound one.
And you would send me your results, and you would keep me. Yeah. I said, keep me posted, and you would keep me posted.
Yeah. No, your motivation. When I was in a dilemma whether to appear in the test on 18th or should I postpone the date, and the way you showed me, no, I think you are all set. You just need a little push, and those words really count. When a teacher shows a lot of confidence in you, that really helps push students, and that actually helped me, and I went for 18th and could do it.
Yeah, you were doing very well. Maybe you were realizing that, but you were doing very well. You just needed that extra, the extra push, the extra practice, as you did.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so and now what? Would you recommend E2 to a friend or to someone?
Yes, definitely. To anyone who, in fact, there was a girl the other day, she was from India, and she was trying to attempt PTE. So I mentioned and I asked her to join E2 Language, because, and definitely people sometimes feel hesitant to take tutorials, but trust me, they were really helpful for me. Means the 45 minutes chat that you do with the teacher, it is actually like I don't know about the group classes which you have started now, because I haven't attended those, but tutorials really help. And the live mock test that happens, one should faithfully join those live mock tests and try and attempt those, because they really help. One is the time management that helps, because you're able to manage and you're going with the flow. And live mock test would be more helpful if you actually attend them live rather than recorded. And if you are attending recorded, please be true to yourself and do it within that time rather than pausing and then going forward. So so E2 Language is definitely one platform one should always vouch for, rather than spending money here and there, because you will end up wasting a lot of money and you will get nothing in your hand. So it's like one-stop shop for everything.
So it was so nice talking to you, and
same here.
Sure,
definitely.
Let us know if when you are accepted, when your PR comes through.
Sure, definitely.
And
thank you, Anna.